inside is because there's a 10-second timer at the beginning of the recording, so like I was like excited at the beginning, but like, oh dang, I have to wait 10 seconds. So anyways, it's your boy, annoying YouTuber who only posts once a month, back with another Fortnite video. Anyways, you can see right here, I bought this really nice pair of headphones. They're usually $100, $200. I got them for $100 at Music in the Arts. And I'm at Taco Bell, totally not sponsored. I wish I was. That'd be epic to get some money. Anyways, it's gonna be an unboxing. I already opened the first part. I ripped off the paper, and I also opened it a teeny bit to see what's inside, but it's really nice. I didn't open it any further than just to see what's under this cover. So anyways, after you take off this cover, you see this really nice white marking on it. I think it looks really great. It looks sleek. Even has a little pedal right there. Probably can't read it in the recording, it might be flipped. But it says Monster. Yeah, I have to read it in reverse. Maybe it's normal for you guys. So anyways, once you open it, it has a little magnet seal. Pure Monster sound, it says. Congratulations on your little thing. You get little things in them, like, looks like Spanish, maybe French on the back. You get like an owner's manual. Might not be able to see any of that. I can't see what I'm recording. And boom, there's the headphones right there. A nice little carrying bag. It's pretty big. It has like the USB cables and stuff in it. It's pretty nice. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Man, phone cameras are horrible. Anyways, bye.